Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today for malware news. Recently, Bose, the famous audio device manufacturer, suffered a breach of personal information of its employees. Bose revealed that a ransomware group accessed its internal files from its HR department. This may have impacted employees' social security numbers and compromised information besides other personal data. A nonprofit healthcare provider operating in Arizona and New Mexico also blurted out sensitive information from patients and employees. U.S. healthcare nonprofit Rebooth McKinley Christian Healthcare Services suffered a data breach blabbering the data of 200,000 patients and employees. Cybercriminals put the personal details of 13 million daily quiz users on sale in exchange for cryptocurrency worth $2,000. Apple rolled out security updates to patch 3 Mac OS and tvOS zero-day vulnerabilities that were being exploited by attackers, including actors behind Exet malware. Computer systems at the Harper County Community Hospital in Buffalo, Oklahoma, were compromised in a ransomware attack, risking healthcare data and other personal information of patients. That's it for today's malware news, and I hope that you're staying safe out there. Have a good week.